Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. So we have just spent the last 2 hours driving from Islamabad to a seriously seemingly unknown paradise, Haripur. So here we are in KPK after driving for over 2 hours on bike. We rented a bike over there and we are here to go to a waterfall that I've been wanting to visit for a super long time. So we're a little bit late in the day. This is kind of the parking-ish area. We're gonna cross the river and then walk over there to get into the waterfalls somewhere in there. So guys, I'm super excited. I love swimming. I love waterfalls. I've never seen one here in Pakistan. So let's go. Let's check out this waterfall in the KPK region of Pakistan. Here's the car park here. Hello, assalamu alaikum. We're getting some life jackets for safety, which is very nice. Safety first. Bahut shukriya, sir. All right, and then we're leaving this bike that we rented in the care of these folks. We are heading across the river, which is step one. It is not very deep, so we're not too concerned here. Okay.
The river is like warm. It's awesome. Even the river is like swimmable, guys.
So this river is literally like a light blue, aqua blue. And I just cannot believe that we literally came here within a day trip from Islamabad. We did not, relocate to KPK or anything. Yes, I put the life jacket on for safety. Do check out this awesome river. So this area is super natural and undeveloped. Here are some goats. Bakri. This is a little bit of a trek that we have to embark on to reach the waterfall from the point that we had stopped at, and it's about 1 kilometer, so nothing crazy. Very amazing scenery. I'm still at a complete loss how close we are to the capital city of the country. I feel like we're in GB or something. So now we're heading here and it actually is starting to look like a trek. Okay, we're here for it. Y'all, I'm literally starting to get like Jurassic Park vibes from these rocks and the plant life, the amazing amount of water. Oh my God. Fortunately, this is how domestic tourists treat natural areas. So one of the attendants that's working here has told us that there's a low-key area in the back, so we are on the way there now. After just a short little hike, we have come to this absolutely stunning and empty area. Like, I cannot believe we are still just a few hours from Islamabad. This looks like something you would see in Oman. Absolutely amazing. I'm just getting into the water. I absolutely love swimming. This is my first time swimming in so long. Yay! guys, it has been an utterly incredible experience here at this waterfall. I've known about this for years. Literally expectations have been met and exceeded. I mean, another waterfall, and shout out to the awesome people here who informed us of this low-key area with 0 other people around. Sweetie, did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
So we've just made it our way down from the little hike from the secret area. Now we're going to check this out and then head out. These people are having an entire picnic. We are getting ready to head out now. How was our day? You enjoy? Bahut shukriya. This guy was a huge help, so thank you so much. He brought us to a very nice place that was very amazing. All right, Nichaban. Okay, just a bit of a river crossing to contend with right now. So now we have to walk back to our bike, which is across the river because we actually came the wrong way. Easy. Y'all, the views along the way of this trek are absolutely incredible. This is the glorious KPK, literally from here, as I said, a few hours from Islamabad, all the way up to literally Brogil, bordering Afghanistan. This province is absolutely stunning. It's undoubtedly my favorite of the actual provinces in Pakistan, for sure. Just crossing the rivers to get back to our bike over there. Oh my gosh, it's so fun, y'all. I'm just loving it here. I love water so much. Bringing our things back. Thank you, sir. Bahut shukriya, guys.
Waterfall ही है 300 मीटर बहुत मजे की अगली दफा आएंगे फिर टेंट लगाएंगे फिर
वापस आएंगे, right? So guys, we made it back. It was honestly, no joke, one of my absolute favorite experiences ever in Pakistan. I can't even believe a waterfall like this is existing here. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, let me know. Leave a comment, subscribe, give me suggestions, and also there's a video that's going to come up for you on the screen. It may already be up. If you like this one, you'll probably like that one too, so check it out. See you guys in the next episode. Bye!